Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain best Spider-Man 2 graphics settings on PS5. From the game, press the start button from the controller. Now go to settings, then go to visual settings. Now set the graphics mode as fidelity and set VRR as smooth head. Now turn on 120 Hz display mode. Now set the brightness and contrast to middle and film grain set to 3. Now press the PlayStation button from the controller. Now go to home. Now go to settings. Now go to screen and video. From the video output, go to resolution. Set it as highest resolution or set it as automatic. Then turn on VRR. Now set automatic for 120 Hz output and turn on ALLM. Then set the RGB range to full or automatic. Then turn on the HDR. Then go back and open save data and game app settings. Then go to game presets. Then go to performance mode or resolution mode. Then set it as resolution mode. By following the steps, you can set best Spider-Man 2 graphics settings on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.